Oppa Gangnam Style. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oppa Gangnam Style.
Don't forget to follow life-saving regulations.
That's your charm.
Grabe naman, Shine. Sobrang na akong naiinggit.
Hi guys! Labas ulit ako! Yay! I just couldn't stop myself from going out to show you more because alam ko na, I know you guys are missing Korea so much as I miss Philippines. And I miss you guys then! Virtual hug na naman, guys. Plus, I also wanted to really have my own relaxing time after a long while of working and practicing hard these days. Korean young stars usually go out for a picnic or go biking along the Hangang or Han River because it is the most accessible place that will make you feel like you're a bit out of a city. So guys, ready na ba kayo? Let's go! Han River, beautiful Han River. Yahoo! Tara guys! Most people come here to go on a picnic or for biking, and there are also various kinds of water sports you can do here. Windsurfing, kayaking, boating, water skiing, wakeboarding, flyboarding, etc. etc. I'm sure most of the water sports enthusiasts enjoy these sports along the river throughout the year. Except for winter, kasi it's very near to where they live. Syempre, if you're not the type to enjoy hardcore active sports, you can also choose to ride a bike along the Han River, which only costs you, don't be surprised, $3 only per hour to rent a single bike. Grabe, solid, di ba? Pero meron din mga bikes suitable for couples. Pero this time, siguro pwede ako mag-rent ng single bike. Gusto nyo ba mag-ride tayo ng couple bike? Tayong dalawa? Gusto nyo? Tara, tara, tara! And if you came here for a picnic, it is very convenient because if you don't want to prepare the food, you can have it delivered. Can you imagine that, guys?
Grabe naman, Shine. Sobrang na akong naiinggit. Because that's one of the most, favorite thing I'd like to do with my friends. Do you guys remember Daegu's Chimek Festival? Hangang is actually the best place to have chimek because of its cool breeze and atmosphere. Kayo, what do you guys think would be the best food to enjoy alongside the wide and large river in the center of a city? Feel free to leave a comment down below. Shine also mentioned picnic, but I'd say camp in Hangang. The Nanji Hangang Park near the World Cup Stadium also caters people who would like to camp along Hangang. It has 24-hour operated bathrooms and even areas for you to grill your barbecue. Grabe.
So many parks along the Hangang because the river is very long, 494 kilometers, and it covers most of the area. Can you imagine that, guys? So guys, this is Gangnam, and over there is the Gangbuk side. Siguro familiar kayo sa Gangnam Style, no? Oppa Gangnam Style. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oppa Gangnam Style, di ba? And some of you might think that Gangnam is for only partying area. Party people, party, yeah! Not only party place at all. But did you know that the south side river is called Gangnam? Surprise na kayo, no? Di ba? You're learning something more about Korea. Not only Gangnam, but you can also feel the length of Seoul, Gangnam and Gangbuk by counting the bridges that connect each other. One of the areas you can also visit around Hangang is Bampo-daegyo Bridge with more than 10,000 lights on both sides. The bridge is known because of nozzles spray water from the Hangang River. It is one of the prettiest things you can see in Seoul because at night, you can also watch the beautiful performance of colorful lights and music right beside the bridge. Connecting the cities to the parks are some tunnels, and one of the most remarkable is Apgujeong Graffiti Tunnel. Tunnel connecting Apgujeong and Hangang River with graffiti on the wall. Those of you who love artwork and photography, you can also go visit the tunnel to see the colorful, creative spray paints. Guys, when you arrive here at Hangang or Han River, you also have the option to take a river cruises, as you can see at the back, and enjoy the music while having a Korean delicious food. Mukbang time at the river cruise and admiring the scenery, to go fishing in some specific location here in Hangang, and to go to the area where you're allowed to light fireworks on your own. Oh, that reminds me! Even the Seoul International Firework Festival, which is an annual event organized, is also held along the Han River. Imagine fireworks along the Han River! But above all that, syempre, the biggest reason why people come here is to relax from the busy life of Seoul. Grabe guys! Sobrang sarap talaga yung hangin dito sa Hangang. It's so relaxing. It is just so smoothing. Sana nandito kayo. Come guys! Please come to Korea! Please visit Hangang after this pandemic. Even when the period of social distancing was lengthened here in Korea, some frustrated people came out to Hangang, and while keeping social distancing, they tried to enjoy the outdoor breeze. Ang sarap talaga hangin dito eh. I think this pandemic has given us so much restrictions and is isolating people from others. Hope you guys in the Philippines can still continuously be happy. That's your charm!
Yes, in times like these, keeping the regulations, especially social distancing, is very, very important pa rin. So for our viewers who are going outdoors, don't forget to follow life-saving regulations. Today, we wanted to introduce to you Hangang because it is a major river in South Korea. Being the 4th longest river in Korea, it is also considered as one of South Korea's pride in the modern times. Though the Hangang no longer plays a central role in commerce or transportation, it is still very remarkable in the life of South Koreans, or at least the people living in Seoul. I hope you guys enjoyed our Korea A to Z. Get excited for our next season. Bye guys!
Annyeong! Congratulations sa ating lucky viewer for today's episode! Ikaw ang tamang nakahula ng topic natin this week. Kaya ikaw ang nakakagamit ng 2,000 pesos shopping vouchers. Mag-email lamang sa ktomanila@gmail.com ng copy ng isang valid ID para mag-claim mo ang iyong prize. Annyeong!